What's up, y'all? We're about to go to a meet right now. I'm here with my boy Eric, my boy fucking Jesus. We're about to meet up with the whole gang right now. Stay tuned. We're currently on the way to the meet. My boy Jesus in the front over there. Show him right there. On the way right now. My boy Eric on the camera. You know what I mean. He's gifted with those hands. Pause.
What's up with you?
Pause.
Oh fuck! I didn't record it. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't even own any of these cars. Like, why am I talking? I'm just the cameraman.
No. We gotta give a point of view of the cameraman. All right.
Hold on.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, turn on.
You can't practice, bro. Behind the scenes, ASAP,
All
bro.
right, look. I'm gonna let y'all know we're about to pull up to Cars of CSUN, the first meet of the semester. Got more than what? 3,000 horsepower lined up right here. With more to come on the way. We're missing 2 essential members. And honestly, we're just... Why are you touching me right there?
Hey, get my boy. Hey, right here with my boy Billy. Little special collab right now.
Hell yeah. Strap. Yeah.
This is what they paying me for. Watch out.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah.
But wait, what are you doing, bro? Brother, cheeks.
Let the Hellcat go first. Hellcat going first. The reason I got him from the dealership, I got him.
The camera, what's up? Aquí con el compa Colocho.
What's up, man? Hey, I was supposed to vlog too, bro.
Yeah, put that bitch out,
Damn.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, no cap. Hey, we're here with my boy Back Chasing.
Yes, sir. Aquí estamos.
Hey, my boy's vlogging out there too, mira. Hey, no cap, bro, an hour and 40 minutes.
Ah, but he came.
Bro.
Man of his word.
I had to. I had to experience the carving for myself. Like,
Hell yeah, bro. I've been telling you to pull up to these shits.
like everything. So I never had time until today. I wanted to show the people too.
Trust, fool. Just start doing the car content, güey. También con tu música, güey. Se va a subir más hasta más.
Hey, you guys heard it? We have to. Yeah, hey, this food, I've never been to some like this.
It's just cracking up. Today, fool.
Oh, my bad. I was like, who was behind me?
It's popping today, bro. Hey, the whole city came out today for the meet. Shout out Cars of CSUN. Hey, as soon as I switched my rap, bro, that's crazy.
Oh, that purple Hellcat.
Damn, how do you feel?
That's cool. Low-key, I like that, so I can see it around here and there.
Hey, but you'll never see something like yours, though.
Yeah, cool, this is sick. Hey, Zach. No, X, my boy right there. What's up? My brother right here, Tom. Why you gotta do that, bro? Like, stop! God damn. Hey, Jack, hey. Tell the camera what's up. What's up? Tell them that the Hellcats are better, bro. Hellcats are slower. Man, chill. Yo, look, dude.
shit for people. We won't be able to come back if people ruin the spot. All right, back to reality. Hellcats are slow. The reason why Hellcats are slow.
Heavy boats.
They're
Yachts.
heavy boats.
Not even a yacht.
The fastest Hellcat in the world ran a 6.9. The fastest GTR is 630s. And let me let y'all know something.
Hey, what do they say then? They say the proof is
Ain't
in the...
no way can keep up with us. Keep up. No. Nah. The proof is in the pudding. In the pudding.
Yeah,
The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. That's what she said. She asked, what you doing with it? I said, I'm gonna put it in.
Damn. Okay. Where you at?
He said, damn.
Going crazy with it.
That's a huge margin. That's a big
Casino tonight
margin.
then or what? Casino?
Huh?
Casino tonight or what?
Baccarat. I'm on his way. We are not doing that. I ain't bringing. Oh, okay, I didn't bring cash. No, we're not doing that.
Nah, bro. They look at us dirty that time, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Back to back twice right after we left.
Bro, I was putting what, $100 on that bitch? Okay. We were playing Baccarat. I was putting $100 on Dragon, like every time, like I don't know, 10, 15 times in a row.
We're there for like 2 hours, bro.
Yeah. As soon as I step off, Dragon back to back.
I swear to God.
Bro, I would've. How much would that have been? $14,000?
Yeah.
I'm so mad. Bro, I'll never do that again. Never. See, that's why gambling is bad, kids. Don't gamble unless you're gambling with low amounts of money and you can control
But there's
yourself.
no point to the
Unlike
low
me.
amounts of money. You gotta go out big.
Nah, I don't gamble like that no more. Nah, that was a long time ago, bro. I don't gamble like that no more. I'm focused on my career, getting the streaming shit going. Why you laughing at?
Why are you laughing?
Damn! I'm trying to motivate people.
Let's go gamble, bro, right now.
Oh my God! Hold up. What's up? What's his name?
Dior.
Dior. Oh, Dior. Why he's so fucking cute. Damn, let's go get some Jumamis with this thing, bro. Yeah, might get some. Yo, chat. Yo, I'm telling you. This dog right here. This even works. Puppy red. Let me see. Let's see if it works. Hi, it works. You guys want to pet my dog? Yes.
This is retarded, dog.
It works.
Not for real, this straight off the dark shit, $5 pants.
Hey, get that.
So many of people go talk shit, part of the game, it's the life of a boss, bitch. Really been listening to G, you can go ask my mama and them. Remember thugging outside and then start again.
That's hard.
My mama was
That's
saying,
hard.
always selling dope to the judge, I put that in my
I don't think I'm good at it, but it's hard.
My papa was a puppet, he taught me shit. Like, don't never fall hard for a bitch that ain't giving you shit and ain't making your pockets thin. Lost mine and this shit had me empty.
Yo.
My pops need filled it with grit. Pops taught me
Right here is what the mean. Where you at? Hey, JT said he's splitting up right now. We're waiting for this fucking bullshit ass sponsor.
Hey, fuck that. That was not even a good sponsor. Hashtag cancel JT.
Hashtag cancel JT.
Somebody said cops gonna pull up and shit.
Who said that?
I don't know. People just talking.
Get bad, bro.
Hey, casino tonight or what? Casino tonight?
This one
Hey,
He's in the attic.
a quick little 200.
We should just go for the vibe. We should just go just to walk in there.
Hey, you see that?
Oh, you're not gonna walk in with this.
Bro, what's up with these? They want me to go broke by tonight.
Just to go, just to
I'm trying to stay up.
What are we? Okay, it's been a dub, man.
Bro, I'm not gambling $20, bro. If I'm gambling, I'm doing like minimum 2-3.
We went last time, we lost $200.
Lost $200 on Baccarat, fuck Baccarat, and then on what else we play? Blackjack. On Blackjack.
Hey, but
The only time I'm gambling is if I go to Vegas or Laughlin. That's it.
Let's go to like Morongo or something.
So Vegas trip right now or what?
Dude,
You're not down.
Nah.
We did it last time.
You guys just wait and
On a day, bro.
on a day.
one day, bro.
One day.
I swear to God.
It's every Sunday. It's not a day. It's every Sunday.
It's always Sunday. Hey, it's always Sunday when we go gamble. You realize
I
that?
swear to God, bro. We left at 12.
We went on Vegas.
We got yeah.
Last week
No,
was
no, no.
Sunday.
We came back the night. Like,
No, last
we got there at what, 4
Sunday, last
a.m.?
week.
We stayed up the whole day and then we left at what, 1?
Nah, we left at like
No, we left at
11.
Like 11, 12.
And then we got over here at 4 a.m.
We didn't sleep the whole day, bro.
Put up in a two-seat. Inside, get it. Money, let's get it. Stepping on the pivot. Do it cause I want to. I don't need the credit. 80 on the Kelly. In the class, steady. Step gang on the bench, on the post. No, I go up by the real motion. I can really play the game and coach. Ain't dinner in the hand. Alright, see you Monday. With everything going, long diamonds hitting everything.
Bring the GTR out, bro.
You're not ready for the GTR.
Bring it out.
Me and you both know you're not ready for the GTR.
Bro, if I don't win, I'm gonna crash into it. Fuck it.
Like, fuck it.
Nah, I'm playing, gang.
Right,
Nah,
bro.
be safe, bro.
All right, bro.
I'll see you. Yup.
When I come out, I'm so severe. They got really fucked up. I'm looking out for them. Got hand car, I got 2 shots in both of them. I've been fucking on before the deal. When I'm done and I'm leaving, she know the drill. I got motor skills. I need rest every day. This shit costs a deal. I catch her out of bed with a socket full. M's and offshore account like a salsa do. I've been dead long before. Keep my pockets full. Throw a 60 on the walk and I run a little. I make me a lot of love, man. Couple sips of that raw and you blow it up. Set up shop anywhere. I be going up. Trips, baby, run around this farm stuff. Pushing packs with drugs in New York.
Oh, look. Good old bird. Yeah. I can see it though. Oh, I see it. Good old bird. How do you feel after seeing all those people just stare at your car?
Everybody
dude?
was just fucking
staring.
Hopefully,
fucking
they
screaming.
at least tag, you know.
Hopefully,
But yeah, bro, we just did before the ghetto bird came. Could you see me?
yeah, hold on. Turn the light on. Yeah.
Is it better right there?
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully they could they all dip out because the ghetto bird's coming. But yeah, we're on our way to the In-N-Out or no?
Dave's
Dave's Hot Chickens.
Yeah.
We're all fucking hungry, I guess.
Fuck
Nah,
it.
look, I'm hungry.
I'll start.
But yeah, so see you guys right now.
Go ahead. Look. Hopefully, it got him talking.
Oh yeah, the homie was recording right now.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Hey, nobody out here has my color, bro. Nobody. Show him. Yeah, hit it, please. I want to get a demon.
Fuck!
I won't fit.
Brazy Park, all crooked, my boy.
I'm sitting parking for Johnny. I'm being considerate. The next time, fuck Johnny.
What?
Fuck JT.
Oh shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit the clips too, and I'll probably do a reel.
You're lucky we're going to.
Oh no, hell yeah.
I hate your car.
Because house food, they memorize your car and shit. So I just rather not. If I'm gonna do something, I'd rather go out the city way.
Yeah. So they don't recognize this shit. Yeah.
so
But Chick-fil-A.
But then my baby.
Chick-fil-A's closed already.
Was it really?
Yeah, they close at 10 I think.
It's Sunday. Just kidding. It's Saturday. It's Friday.
No, I closed at 12.
Real?
Way off.
Last time, what time we
Well,
pulled
it's
up?
Friday.
Last time we pulled up at what
You
time?
don't sleep.
Hey, let's just go to King's.
That's dog food, bro.
What a chow.
Oh, Fogo de Chao? You're not. I'm down for. I'm down as fuck.
Alright, but you're not down for
Fogo.
fucking Jen?
No.
What?
Fogo de Chao. How you comparing Fogo de Chao to Jen?
You're gonna eat good regardless.
You don't know what Fogo de Chao is?
Make it.
Oh my god.
Saying that
Hey,
would
we
make you
could.
want to
Hey, we
go.
can make it to Chick-fil-A. They close at 11.
But the one in Ventura or
No,
here?
right here.
I'm right here. You down for Chick-fil-A or what?
I don't know, but I'm thinking of going home. Santa Ana.
Yeah, look at Mission, bro.
Yeah.
Next time we'll pop up over there, bro.
At least the meat
Yeah.
was good.
Hey. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching. Again, this is the end to another episode of just fucking around. But just remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.